Every day we make decisions, from what to wear to what career path to follow. Some choices are small. Others change our lives completely. Decision-making is not just about picking an option. It's about thinking clearly, weighing the pros and cons, and taking responsibility for what comes next. Good decision-making saves time. When you can choose quickly and wisely, you avoid wasting hours in confusion or regret. It helps you stay focused and move forward. It also builds confidence. When you learn to trust your judgment, you start believing in yourself more. Confidence grows every time you make a smart choice, even in small matters. In relationships, decision-making helps avoid conflicts. Whether it's with friends, family, or at work, clear decisions show that you know what you want and respect others' time and energy. In school or business, decisions shape your path. Choosing to study instead of scroll. Choosing to speak up instead of stay silent. These moments define your success more than you realize. Poor decisions, on the other hand, can lead to stress, money problems, or missed chances. That's why it's important to think before acting. Ask questions like, what could go wrong? What will I gain? Is this the best time? Strong decision-making skills also protect you in tough situations. Peer pressure, risky offers, or emotional moments often cloud our thinking. A person with clear decision-making habits can pause, breathe, and choose wisely. And the best part? These skills can be learned. Start by making simple choices each day with more care. Practice thinking ahead. Reflect on your past decisions. Learn from mistakes, but don't fear them. In the end, your decisions shape your future. A good life doesn't happen by luck. It happens one wise choice at a time.